Hey team, Abel Prieto here from Miami, Florida. I want to welcome you to InCruises, and I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on the registration and upgrade process with InCruises. It's very simple. Let me start sharing my screen here, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I should be sharing my screen now. You should be seeing that. So this is what people see when they receive your referral link. All right, this is what pops up. You have two buttons here. You have the login button. That's where you go once you're already registered in InCruises. But really the button that they want to click on is the Join Now button, which I'm scrolling over here, Join Now. Just to let you know, we have a bunch of different languages that convert the entire website to that language. Over here to the left, we have other videos they can watch. They can also click on Get Started Now instead of Join Now, and it takes them to this pop-up that shows them how to register, or takes them to the registration process. They can click here on Watch Intro Video. In case they haven't seen a video about InCruises yet, you can scroll down on the website, get a bunch of awesome pertinent information that'll help your person get started. I encourage you guys to look at this as well. There's another Join Now button that you see here. Here we have tutorials from cruise line executives talking about InCruises. We have our company numbers. These numbers are updated on a daily basis, and downloadable PDFs that you can have access to that'll help you grow your InCruises business. So when someone first gets invited with your link will show up at the top, just like you see mine on the navigation there, able.incruises.com. You can create your own link once you've upgraded. And so let's go ahead and join now. We click on Join Now. This is a test account, and as you can see here, it shows that Abel Prieto has invited this person. So let's go ahead and just come up with a name for the upgrade process. Jack, let's go with Jack Jones. Let's put a test email, Abel Prieto 78. We're going to do a test one, so plus test and a random number, let's say 982. By the way, if you have a Gmail account, you can do test accounts. If you ever want to test the process, you can do test accounts if you have a Gmail account. So in my case, it's abelprieto78@gmail.com. But if you want to do a test account, all you got to do is get your email, in my case, abelprieto78, and then you put the plus sign, the word test, and then a random number. It could be test 1, test 2, test 3. I've done so many that I want to make sure I don't pick a number I've already used. So I picked 982, but you can go with test 1, test 2, test 3. And Gmail allows you to do that. You can do test account registrations with InCruises. So let me go ahead and confirm that email again. Abel Prieto 78 plus test. I'm going with 982. I forgot to put @Gmail, so let's go with @gmail.com. Do the same thing over here, @gmail.com. All right. You create a password. Your password has to have numbers and letters. So let's just use this. All right. It's a very simple process. You can choose to show the password if you want. You pick your country, your phone number. Let's go with my phone number, gender, in this case, male, and you click join. And it's that easy. Right now, I am registering with InCruises. And so what you do now is it takes you to the upgrade page. I love it. It takes you straight there. So you have the different membership plans, the starter plan, the classic, and the premium. And then you have your partnership plan, just so that we can just test out the system. Obviously, we recommend a premium partner for a total of $595, which is what's pre-selected there. But let's just go ahead and unclick partnership program. Since we're only doing a test account, let's do the smallest one, which is a starter plan at $50. You pick starter. Again, we recommend premium and partner, but you can always unclick and pick the plan that is best for you. You go here to checkout, right? You pick your method of payment. We've got a ton of different payment methods. I'm going to go with Visa. So I pick Visa. It should have my information already chosen. We're good to go there. Everything is here. Boom, $50 and submit payment. Please wait while we finalize your checkout. This is very easy, very simple, very user-friendly. Checkout was successful. It pops up to this video that you can watch. All right. You can confirm your language here. Mine is English, confirm language. There's a video that you can watch with Hutch. Welcome you to InCruises. You can watch that. Just for the time being, we're going to go ahead and skip the video so you can exit out of here. Okay. So now we're inside of InCruises. You see up here on the top right-hand corner, I already have 50 reward points. And you can start navigating the website to see where it is that you want to go. So to put your payment on AutoPay, all you have to do is go here to payments, go to invoices, and go to add card. So once you go there, again, payments over here on the left-hand navigation menu, you go to invoices, and up here on the top left-hand side, you put add card, you click there, you add your card, you save your card, and that's it. You are good to go. So hopefully that helps. Obviously, we'll create more videos. There's a lot of videos on the website that you can use to help grow your business. We'll create more videos in terms of setting up your account. But that is it. That is as easy as it gets. Again, welcome to InCruises. My name is Abel Prieto, coming to you live from Miami, Florida. And I look forward to seeing you on the cruises and the beaches of the world. Take care, everyone.